I would say I hate it. Sorry. Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Okay guys, guess which color is this? Which lip color is this? Okay, I'll give you a second and then I'll show you. Write down in the comment. Okay guys, it's this Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick, whatever. To be honest, if I am being really honest, it's a very huge brand, and the thing that I'm about to say is I'm very disappointed. And now you say, what, you are disappointed from Huda Beauty? Oh god. So what? We are someone, we want quality, and the quality of this lipstick, this is original Huda Beauty in the shade, as you can see right now. This is the shade number, and guys, the quality, as you can see, is wearing off from my inside lips again and again, and this is not the first time I have applied it in here. Okay, this is not the first time. This is almost thrice, yeah, 3 times I have applied it, and yet it's wearing off. Look at this. And let me show you one more thing. Okay, do you see? It's dried. It's been 20 minutes, yet this thing is keep on happening. It's sticking somehow. There is a sticky feeling to it, and I don't know how to describe it, and it just sucks. Sorry, I really want to say something good about it, because I really wanted to say something good about it, but I'm very much disappointed with this Huda liquid matte lipstick. I'm like seriously very disappointed right now. I have no words. I'm not even maybe saying it right, the name of the lipstick, whatever, but I'm very disappointed right now. I don't care. This much of cost, and this is what we are getting. I have bought I think so lower cost liquid matte lipsticks, and they are awesome. They are better than this. Okay friends, I would like to know your opinion about it, so let me know what do you think about this, and have you bought any drugstore product which is far more better than this one? Because for me, this experience fails and I hate it. I'm sorry, I'm not loving it, especially for this price. No, I don't love it at all. I would say I hate it. Sorry.